learning. Still on it is Mackenzie Aikens. Slashing her way, cross comes in, shot on Jenna Castillo, deflected, still free, across to Allie Lucas, shot, goal, Montana! And the Grizzlies hand Eastern Washington their first loss of the conference season. Mackenzie Aikens, what a play! Keeping it alive, working her way into the box. Castillo shot deflected, but she slips it across to Allie Lucas, who fires into the back of the net. Montana, 2 goals, Eastern Washington 1. The first loss since August 30th for the Eastern Washington Eagles. The Grizzlies improve to 5-7-2, 2-2-1 in the Big Sky.